In this video, you'll learn how to use the sheet metal parametrize command to automatically place constraints on the components of the walls on this lift cabin. Open the cabin assembly file. Open the wall_1 component. Use the parametrize command on the entire wall model and observe all the constraints that have been created. Save the file with a new name. Close the newly saved file. Switch to the cabin assembly file. Replace all inserts of wall_1 with the new file. Open the wall_R component. Use the parametrize command on the whole model as with the previous component. Save the file with a new name. Close the newly saved file. Switch to the cabin assembly file. Replace wall_R with the new file. Select the CZ_overall length _body _1 parameter in all the new wall components. Use the Link to Parameter command from the right-click menu to assign an assembly parameter as the expression for all selected parameters. Change the CZ_overall length _body _1 parameter to make sure it works. You can now change the height of the elevator cabin by changing just one parameter.